Hi there! Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a shooting star? The glowing streaks in the sky? And I'm sure you know that these shooting stars are actually a meteor. But did you know that meteors have played a big role in the history of life on Earth? In this video, let's explore whether shooting stars can be the reason for life on Earth. It is so exciting to even imagine that a shooting star could be one of the reasons for life on Earth. Because then we can all brag to one another that our existence comes from a meteor. But wait, what is a meteor exactly? A meteor is a piece of rock or metal that has fallen to Earth from space. Sometimes these pieces of rock or metal come from a comet or an asteroid. When a meteor enters the Earth's atmosphere, it heats up and glows brightly, creating a streak of light in the sky. This streak of light is called a shooting star. Yes, we basically wish upon a rock. But now, you might be wondering what meteors have to do with life on Earth. Well, scientists believe that meteors played an important role in the development of life on our planet. So about 4 billion years ago, Earth was a barren, basically lifeless planet. But then something amazing happened. Scientists believe that meteors carrying water and organic molecules crashed into Earth's surface. These molecules are the building blocks of life, and they may have helped to kickstart the process of life on our planet. One of the most famous examples of this is the Chicxulub impact. So this impact happened around 65 million years ago, the time when dinosaurs walked the earth. A huge meteor, possibly as big as 10 kilometers across, crashed into Earth near what is now Mexico. The impact created a massive crater and caused widespread destruction. But it also had a silver lining. It may have helped to wipe out the dinosaurs, paving the way for mammals like us to thrive. I know it sounds a little sad and selfish, but how would we have ever existed then? In recent years, scientists have made some exciting discoveries related to meteors and potential signs of life. In 2018, scientists from Japan and the United States claim to have found evidence of organic compounds on a meteorite called Ryugu. Organic compounds are the building blocks of life, and their presence on the meteorite suggests that they may have been present in the early solar system and possibly entered Earth's atmosphere a very long time ago, which could suggest that these meteors could be key building blocks for the origin of life on Earth. Similarly, in 2019, scientists reported finding amino acids which are also building blocks of life on a meteorite that landed in Sudan in 2008. While these discoveries are exciting, it is important to note that they do not necessarily mean that life exists or has ever existed on the meteorites. Further research and analysis would be needed to confirm any potential findings. So, there you have it. Meteors might seem like just a cool thing to look at in the sky, but they have actually played a really important role in the history of life on Earth. Who knows, maybe one day a meteor carrying the building blocks of life will crash into another planet, kickstarting the process of life all over again.